Buddy, in this video, I will be showing you how to level up in the Memefi. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to complete the quests and missions in order to get the points and coins, and that's how you can increase the level of your Memefi campaign. For that, all you have to do is to go to the Earn section. Here you can see that do on-chain tasks, share story on Telegram. It will earn you 5 lakh coins, and so if you do on-chain tasks, it will get you 50 million coins. So these are some tasks. You can swipe it down, 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 and you will see that the amount of coins and the amount of energy is showing in here. So this is one way in order to get the level up. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.